Welcome to Ms. Huong English class.
Grade 3 Global Success. Unit 9, Colors. What color is it? Red. Red. Pink. Pink. Orange. Orange. Yellow. Yellow. Purple. Purple. Blue. Blue. Brown. Brown. Black. Black. Green. Green. White. White. Gray. Gray.
Hello, Ken.
Hello, Suri.
Do you have a balloon?
Yes, I do.
What color is it?
It's blue. Do you have balloons?
Yes, I do.
What color are they?
They're orange.
Review.
Red. Pink. Orange. Yellow. Purple. Blue. Brown. Black. Green. White. Gray.
Hello. Do you have a balloon? What color is it?
Hello. Do you have balloons? What color are they?
Watch this video once more and try to remember them. See you next time. Goodbye.